Welcome to Analytics Friday. Today I'm going to talk about measuring content on this digital world. As you know, content marketing is very important. Inbound marketing is very important, and without content, you are doing a poor job because other company can do with a different size can do better than you and can be searchable more than you on the easy way, because when you start declining your ads and you don't have content, you only have ads to lead generation and so on. So the importance of measuring content is really important. So how we define the importance of the content? So is it to rise the percentage of sales? Is to decrease the cost of acquisition or retention? Or you want to have awareness, higher awareness to your customer? Which phase of your customer journey you want to be on top positions with top content to make more leads and more sales? The question is like, what are my precious or value content that is seen by my potential customers or customers? So beware that if you have content, you have the potential customer or lead or prospector entering your properties, enter your social media, is already there, and you are already there. So you have to accomplish two things. As you know, if you don't have confidence on your content, that you are doing the content for your customer, for them to know your products and to know the best practice to rule. For instance, to make a setup of a single video camera that is quite easy, or how to set up a kitchen stove, for instance, if you want to do it yourself. So, which are the best practices for cleaning the stove? So these are the things that you should embrace and should put on your customer's shoes to see what are doing correctly and what are the areas that you could improve. Okay, because you are giving signals to your customer or potential customer that you know a lot about the subject and you know what kind of needs they have. This is very important. If the customer sees that you are not getting there, okay, you are only trying to hard sell. Okay, customer knows that you are trying to sell. It's normal, but if you do it too much, it seems like your product it's not very kind to him because you are pushing too much. You don't have to push too much. Or if you are pushing, push on the right channels. Use advertising for that. Okay, but don't forget, more than 50% that you have to do is content. Without content, you don't have a strategy, and you only have advertiser. You are only the advertiser if you don't have content. What it happens is when you're how do you say it? If you cut your spending on the advertiser, what will do is you are squeezing the contacts with your potential customer. Otherwise, with content and advertiser, the two, you have you have forms of the customer to stay in touch with you, to see your content, to see how you do things, how the best practice for some products or services, how you get along when something does not goes right. Okay, this is very important because, as you know, um, uh, of course, you have to do good marketing, you have to do good customer support. And don't forget, if you are giving some content to them, they are willing to say, okay, these guys are really investing in customers, and not on their brand, because other brands can do the same. But no, they are doing, okay, they are showing their products, but they are doing best practice on this kind of products. So these things um, really makes you very awareness on the discovery phase. Okay, and when you go to the consideration phase, you see, okay, this guys has all that confidence points that I'm seeing. I'm giving the ability to go for the upper funnel to the lower funnel and to convert. Okay, so this is very important to feel and to look. Um, if you're only giving upper funnel, um, it's good to have upper funnel, lower funnel, but you want your customers to go for upper funnel to lower funnel and to convert. So remember this: content is king, distribution is queen, as someone says, but you have to measure it. Okay, you have to see what content is really valuable for you. And remember, when you're setting your analytics, don't go for that kind of setup that is put the script on the site and that's okay, because you are not giving you're not are trying to answer the right questions, because you only get the old style metrics like page views and sessions, volume, and these kind of measures are good for starting, but you have to see publishing dates, where is your value. You have to have goals set up to see what time and scrollability you have on your articles that can show that they are reading your content, they are engaging with your content. So you need behavior set up as well on your blog or website to see what it comes for social media. What is the value of social media to you? So this is because social media, as you know, nowadays are very important because people are spending there lots of time. So if they are spending lots of time, you want to be there, and the only form to be there is with content. If you only have advertising, forget it. It's not possible to accomplish all your objectives on the long way, only on the short term. Okay, advertising, it's necessary, I agree, but you have to do content as well. Only advertiser, it's not correct to do it. Okay, so guys, see you next Friday on Analytics Friday. Thank you.